Welcome to the world of smart gadgets that practically do everything for you. From simplifying daily routines to making life feel effortless, these clever devices are built to handle the hard work in the background. All products are linked in the description below. Let's get started. Imagine your blinds adjusting themselves with the sunlight. This smart tilt motor clips right onto your existing blinds, turning them into automatic ones in minutes. A built-in solar panel keeps it powered endlessly, so you never have to recharge. You can set timers, use the app, or even control them with your voice when paired with a hub. Smooth, precise movement keeps your room perfectly lit all day long. This is no ordinary robot vacuum, it's a helper with an arm. The built-in mechanical arm can actually pick up small items like socks and tissues, moving them out of the way as it cleans. With powerful suction and hot water mopping, it tackles dirt and stubborn stains in one go. Smart navigation avoids cables and furniture legs with ease, and the docking station keeps everything clean, washed, and ready for the next run. Turn your phone snaps into real keepsakes in seconds. This instant photo printer connects wirelessly, docks your phone, and even charges it while printing. The 4-layer process makes each picture vibrant, fingerprint-proof, and water-resistant, so they last for years. Choose borderless photos for a clean look or bordered ones for jotting down memories. With a full bundle of sheets included, you're ready to start printing right away. Kick back and turn screen time into pure comfort. This plush pillow stand holds your tablet or phone securely while you relax in bed, on the couch, or even in the car. The 360-degree rotating clamp lets you find the perfect viewing angle without straining your neck. Side pockets keep remotes and pens close, and there's even a detachable snack bowl. Soft, washable fabric makes it as cozy as it is practical. Ironing boards are officially outdated. This smart dryer smooths out wrinkles and dries your clothes at the same time, all hands-free. Just slip your shirt or pants onto the inflatable form, and gentle hot air takes care of the rest. It works on everything from delicate silks to sturdy cotton without scorching or shrinking. Compact and portable, it's perfect for apartments, dorms, or anyone tired of wrestling with an iron. Washing your hands just got an upgrade. This smart soap dispenser gives you touchless foam in just a quarter of a second, keeping things clean and effortless. The rechargeable battery lasts for months, and the LCD screen even shows the time and battery level. You can adjust how much soap it dispenses, making it perfect for kids and adults alike. Sleek, modern, and hygienic, it's a must-have for any sink. Imagine sitting at your desk and actually feeling relaxed instead of stiff. That's what this heated footrest delivers. It cradles your feet with soft memory foam while gently warming them. And if you need a boost, switch on the vibration massage for instant relief. With adjustable height and a removable cover, it's practical year-round, whether you're working, gaming, or just unwinding. Tired of rummaging around for trash bags? This wall-mounted dispenser keeps them neatly stored and always within reach. Just mount it on the wall, slide in your roll or stack, and pull out a bag whenever you need one. It frees up cabinet space and keeps things organized. Compact, durable, and versatile. You can even use it for paper towels or cleaning cloths. Say goodbye to endless ice packs and heating pads. This smart knee wrap gives you both heat and cold therapy in one sleek design. Switch from soothing warmth to refreshing cool with the push of a button, easing pain, swelling, and stiffness fast. It straps on comfortably and moves with you, so you're not stuck sitting down. No cords, no mess, just instant relief whenever you need it. Your laptop just found its ultimate sidekick. This docking station packs 13 different ports into one sleek design, letting you connect everything at once. Hook up 2 monitors in crisp 4K, transfer giant files in seconds, and keep all your devices powered with lightning-fast charging. The smart LCD screen shows you exactly what's connected. It's compact, powerful, and built to make multitasking effortless. Ever see a color you love and wish you could capture it? This pocket-sized scanner lets you do just that. Just place it on any flat surface, and it instantly finds the closest paint match and even gives you digital color codes. You can compare shades, save your favorites, and share them right from your phone. It's like carrying a full paint store in your pocket. Your home just got smarter. This device combines crystal clear video calls, room-filling spatial audio, and a vibrant HD screen all in one. You can manage your lights, cameras, and other gadgets without needing a separate hub. Just ask, and it's done. The camera auto-frames you so every video call looks natural. And when not in use, it doubles as a digital photo frame showing your best memories. Ever wish you could take perfect notes without lifting a pen? This AI-powered voice recorder does the heavy lifting for you. It captures crystal clear audio, reduces background noise, and even transcribes speech into text in multiple languages. You can mark important moments, import external files for transcription, and keep recordings organized with ease. With long battery life and simple one-tap recording, it's like having your own personal assistant in your pocket. Mealtime becomes stress-free with this smart automatic cat feeder. It not only dispenses food on schedule, but also lets you watch your pets with a built-in HD camera and night vision. Dual trays make it perfect for multi-pet households, so no one gets left out. You can even talk to your pets through two-way audio or record a meal call. With app control and smart alerts, you'll never worry about missed feedings again. Imagine having a grill that practically cooks for you. This Smartwood pellet smoker uses built-in AI to suggest recipes, adjust temps, and manage the entire process while you relax. Whether you're smoking low and slow or searing at high heat, it keeps everything precise and consistent. With space to handle big meals and 7 cooking functions in one, it's the ultimate outdoor upgrade for anyone who loves barbecue made effortless. Taking notes just got a serious upgrade. This AI-powered tablet doesn't just capture your handwriting, it can turn speech into text in real time and even summarize entire meetings for you. The pressure-sensitive stylus gives a natural, paper-like feel while supporting multiple pen styles for sketching or note-taking. With support for dozens of languages, it's perfect for global use. Say goodbye to messy handwriting and mismatched stickers. This portable label maker has you covered. It prints crisp labels for barcodes, jars, cables, packages, or even custom logos. You can design right from your phone with tons of fonts, symbols, and templates to choose from. The compact size means you can carry it anywhere, and the rechargeable battery lasts for thousands of labels. Cleaning under furniture doesn't have to be a workout. This cordless wet-dry vacuum lays completely flat, sliding under beds and sofas to reach hidden dust and crumbs. It vacuums and mops at the same time, keeping your floors spotless with ease. When you're done, It deep cleans itself with hot water and dries the roller to prevent odors. Lightweight, smart, and powerful, your floors have never had it this easy. Imagine a chair that adapts to your whole lifestyle, not just work. This cross-legged office chair transforms from a focused desk setup to a fully reclined lounge in seconds. Hidden side platforms even create cozy spots for your pets, so they can relax with you while you read or unwind. A pull-out desk makes it perfect for small spaces, doubling as both workstation and recliner. Comfort, flexibility, and clever design all in one. Ever wished you could just toss your laundry into the wall and have it vanish? That's exactly what this system does.